Hi, welcome to ResNote, a simple Chrome extension using which you can take notes with the source without even typing a single word. Now let's get started with it. Suppose you are doing a research about the particular topic of laser. You can simply start by opening your notebook and changing the name of the notebook to laser first. You can change the size of the notebook from here, and whatever information you find relevant for your work, you can simply drag and drop all those information into your ResNote account, and the ResNote takes care of it really easily. In fact, even if you minimize the tab and start dragging all those information, ResNote automatically captures all those information. But by this time, you might be wondering, how does ResNote takes care of the sources? That's the magic part. Unlike any other applications or editors like Google Docs or Microsoft Word, if you select a particular information, it will give you all this option of sources, Google Scholar link, and view all. From these two, you can go back to the original source and the Google Scholar source of the information. And by clicking on this view all icon, you can simply see what are the information coming from a particular source. Isn't it amazing? Now, whatever insight you have regarding the topic, you can simply try typing it out, and you can see every information is in green font. That will ensure you understand what are your unique insight from the particular topic. By the way, you will never lose track of all those information because everything is getting saved in your cloud.